and it's just so weird. And I mean, what a feather in! I mean, of all the feathers in his cap, this would have been yet another incredible feather in his cap of actually being the person to predict that the universe is expanding or contracting. But it took a few years later, of course, for Hubble to really prove it. And then, of course, Einstein said no, and he referred to his cosmological constant as his biggest blunder of his career.
Which it was.
It really was, and it was really it just didn't seem to fit, never fit him. I think I just don't know why he didn't go with that. But now, decades later, we find that gravity isn't slowing expansion; it's speeding up because there's some mysterious force like the cosmological constant. So Einstein apparently is a genius even when he makes big mistakes.
Yeah, but for the wrong reason. He was wrong.
Right.
He got it wrong. The cosmological constant was wrong, and the fact that is a repulsive force, and now we're thinking that there is a repulsive force. He doesn't get any credit for that.
Right.
Rebecca, you're going to tell us what you've been doing for the last week while you were gallivanting around and not recording the podcast. But you were giving a talk on something to do with skepticism.
No, I mean, it was mostly just the gallivanting.
Okay. Knew it.
Well, first I should give a shout out to our friends at Pixar who gave me a tour.
No, I forgot about that.
Oh man, tell us every single detail.
Holy crap. Did Buzz Lightyear greet you?
I can't tell you every detail or they would kill me. They wouldn't kill me, but they would take away all the toys they gave me.
No, you better be teasing us.
What did they pick out for me? Like, what did they say, Rebecca, give this to Jay? What was the one?
I'm getting a Woody.
They actually said to take all of these toys and enjoy them yourself and tell all the guys that you got them so that they will be jealous and they will come visit sometime. Yeah, and that was from Chris Ford, and Craig Good is the person who got in touch originally and brought me out. So thank you very much, guys, and to the other guys I met as well at Pixar. It was a good time. So yeah,
Pixar.
That was
so jealous.
Pixar. I also got to see the MythBusters set, which was awesome.
Oh, cool.
And I can't talk about that at all because spoilers, but I can tell you that it involved something very large that smashed
blowing
things. Close. There was smashing.
They built their own proton accelerator?
I can't tell you that.
No, that would be cool.
So thanks to Adam Savage for having me out to the MythBusters set. But yeah, so I was talking about I was there to speak about activism and free thought and all of that, and I decided that I would focus on women because I am one, and
it's kind of your shtick.
Wait, are we done with Pixar now?